Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Reeve knives, large Sebenza 21, Blade HQ exclusive, here with me for a quick review. But hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out Fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff that I'm showing to you. So, classic Sebenza 21, large, 3.5, 3.6 inch long, cutting edge 4.6, 4.7 inch long for the handle, overall 8.25 inches for this gorgeous, classic, beautiful knife. This is the Blade HQ exclusive. I'm just gonna do a quick video for this one because everything else works for the other review that I showed you about this knife. The only thing that this guy has is just like a pretty gorgeous Chad Nichols raindrop Damascus blade. The other one has just like a S35 VN steel blade. This guy has carbon fiber liners. This is a millet clip. It's not the standard clip that comes with. It's gorgeous looking, but quite bad functionally. Pretty much the opposite of the stock clip, which is fantastically working, but kind of not pretty in my opinion. This is the Reeve Knives Large Sebenza 21 Blade HQ exclusive. It's gorgeously done. Check out this raindrop Damascus right over here. That is pretty cool. This is the, of course, Sebenza 21 has been discontinued. Now there is the Sebenza 31, which basically you can recognize by the fact that it is missing the hole over here. And there's some other differences, but mainly the main giveaway would be like the absence of the hole in that spot. And this is just a fantastic one. I don't know why I love the Sebenza 21 especially. I like the 31, but the 21 is something, I don't know, special. Technically, the 31 might be better, they say, because ergonomically it's a little bit better. The clip, the ceramic detent ball. I mean, I can see the innovations, but this thing is like an icon. It's classic. This is a grail because of the Damascus and the carbon fiber. It's spectacular. Even like the plain Jane handle, just classic blade, S35 VN is gonna be fantastic as a first high-end knife if you're getting into this world, and if you're like you know, sticking with Benchmade, Spyderco, you want to explore a little bit higher end knives. Yeah, check out Reeve knives, especially the Sebenza 21. You can buy one used any day and it's gonna retain the value. You can use it. You might lose, I don't know, 10 bucks, 20 bucks, and you used it. The warranty is great. You can send this guy in for like spa service. They're gonna resharpen, they're gonna fix the handle, they're gonna remove the scratches for free, and regardless of the ownership. So you can buy used and then send in for spa. That is a fantastic option to have. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.